linens video. My name is Myra, and today we're going to show you how to decorate this round arch using flower panels, LED string lights, and also some chiffon fabric. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so first you'll begin with putting your LED lights around your wedding arch, and we're just looping it around the entire arch. Next, I used our chiffon fabric roll, and I went ahead and grabbed one end of the fabric roll and placed it over the arch. Following that, I went ahead and pleated the chiffon fabric roll and went ahead and tied it onto one end of the arch using a zip tie. Followed the same method as I did on one end, doing it the same to the other. The last step to the process was just to add the flower panels to the arch. We went ahead and added the panels and then added in some eucalyptus. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also stop by some of our social pages to get some more event inspiration and check out some of our latest videos. Thank you guys again so much, and we'll see you in the next one.